Okay, so just inside the lid, we've got our user manual, which is pretty usual. We've got the transmitter, as I said, 3-in-1 receiver, transmitter functions and descriptions. Looks like on each of the transmitters, you have your power and mode switch buttons, your volume output up and down, a connection status indicator light, a battery level indicator light, a noise reduction indicator light, mute status, and then reverb function indicator light. So you can read through that manual if you would like to. Well, very nice. We've got this kind of foam insert here, and we've got a nice little travel case. So that's nice. It's got a very soft feel to it, yet stiff. We're gonna open this thing up here. Okay, so this will be super handy for traveling and such. So we've got a USB cable. Go ahead and unwind this. Okay, so interesting. We have two USB-C connections on one end and then a USB plug here. That'll be interesting to put to use. Looks like on this side we have our two microphones, our transmitter, TX there. Got a nice little peel. There we go. See on the side, my eyes are terrible, but it looks like we have our volume change up and down for the volume. Looks like we have our power and our mute switch. We have like a jack on the side here. Perhaps this is for charging. That would make sense. So we can plug this into this side and then the other one for the other transmitter. Use that for charging. And on the top, you can see there, that is the microphone. So you want to make sure that you keep that relevant to whatever you might be recording. It's like each microphone's got a nice little clip there. You clip it onto a shirt or a pocket for ease of recording. Set that down. So this one's got two transmitters, pretty much going to be identical to each other. Got another one here. We can go ahead and plug this in, which I imagine is for charging's sake. And on the other side, this should be a receiver and a few accessories. Looks like we've got a filter. This is kind of like a windscreen protector. So if you're in a windy environment, you're gonna want to pop this onto the microphone. Let me see if this is easy for me to figure out on video. Oh yeah, it just pops on right there. Great. So that's, again, if you're in an outdoor environment or noisy environment, you go ahead and pop this on. Looks like we got a second one as well. You can put it on the other microphone. It's like we've got an adapter here. It's got that 3.5 millimeter jack on one end and then the female end on the other. This should be, this is our receiver. So this is what we are receiving all of our audio. So what you are recording with. Let's see, there's a power button there. Can imagine for most of you, you'll plug this into a phone, whether that's using USB-C or if you have the familiar lightning jack. Now on my phone, I've actually got an iPhone 12. It's pretty old. I'll just simply plug it in like this. There we go. We've got a green light on our receiver showing that the two microphones are connected. It should be working. We've got a good strong signal there. And like I said, this is firmly attached to my phone. See if I want to go ahead and make a recording on my phone. Let's see if I can insert this into the production here. Testing 1, 2, just testing the microphone here. This wireless kit, test 1, 2, test 1, 2. Very impressed that this all came together right out of the box. So I can't say that when yours shows up that you'll have enough power to go ahead and start it, but you can simply charge it up when you're ready to use. And then also very impressive is that I plugged this into my iPhone. I didn't have to download any apps whatsoever, and it just works. That's pretty awesome. There's more features. Like I said, the buttons you can read on the manual, but very impressive. If you're doing an interview or you need to get a couple people on camera and you want to make sure they got some high quality audio, you could definitely check these out to meet your needs.